Now let's go and change our milliamp output scaling. For that we select the drop-down list here, milliamp output signal. And what we can see is that it's per default adjusted 0 IEUs equals 4 milliamp and 4 million equal 20 milliamp. That's, by the way, look here, if you remember, 4 million equal 100 milligram. So let's change that. Let's say we don't want to see 4 million, we just want to see 2 million on the 20 milliamp. So let's insert that point, 2 million equals 20 milliamp. We insert the point, we delete the old one, activate the new one, save and read. From now on, this is 2 million equals 20 milliamps. Let's change that back. And to do that, maybe it's for us more convenient to work in milligram per cubic meter. For that, we just simply enable the calibration, save it, read. Then we go back to the milliamp output signal, and from now on we can read here milligram instead of IEU. Yeah, let's change that back. We said default was 100 milligram equals 20 milliamps. Insert the point, we delete the old one, activate the new one, save and read. So now 100 milligram equals 20 milliamp. Let's check what's that in IEU. Disable, save, read, go back to the milliamp output again. Also, the milliamp output scaling can be set from history. Let's do that quickly. Last time we have chosen the quick setting by 1 day or 1 hour, but now we want to be a bit more accurate and say the last 5 minutes equal exactly 10 milliamps, as it's just in the middle where we want to have our milliamp to be. So let's choose the right day first. 42, that would be 37. Okay, that was the measurement of the last 5 minutes in IU, and that should be, we said, 10 milliamps. Insert that point, and what we see is that we have a selection of 3 points. Now, if we do that right away, we will get again the warning, 2 points already selected, the calibration would be nonlinear. So if we do that, we get a completely bended milliamp output, which is in 99% of the cases not wanted. So I want to point out that you absolutely need to make sure to delete the 3rd point, the default point, which was set at 4 million. So let's delete that. Now we have again a straight line where the last 5 minutes reading were scaled to be 10 milliamp. And not forget, save and read to make sure that your points are really written to the instrument.